Howdy, Ags! There's a newer, easier way to get around campus. Texas A&M has partnered with OFO Bikes to provide you with an affordable, convenient, and cool way to travel around campus. For just 50 cents a ride, it's quick and affordable to sign up. Just download the OFO app and create an account. Use the app to scan the code on the bike and you're ready to ride. Nobody likes a two-personer. Use the bike responsibly when riding. Avoid biking on sidewalks and through dismount zones. Keep yourself and fellow students safe. Be mindful of other drivers by following traffic safety laws. Keep our campus and city beautiful. At the end of your trip, be sure to park your OFO in a designated parking spot. Now you're ready to ride. This video is brought to you by Texas A&M Transportation Services.